Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 8 and 9th. I welcome you in my lecture number 6 of unit number 3. Dear students, we are doing exercises of unit number 3. So today open your books on page number 31 and see the exercises of grammar. On this page 31 you can see heading of grammar, and then you can see subheading of article and verbs. There are two exercises on this page, exercise A and exercise B. Exercise A belongs to article and exercise B belongs to the use of verb. In exercise A, you have to complete these blanks with articles. There are 5 points, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then some blanks are there in these lines, and you have to put articles according to this question. The question is, fill in the article a, an or the. Where necessary, insert cross where no article is used. Dear students, we will do this exercise, but before that I will teach you what an article is. What are articles in English grammar and how and where they are used. Okay, now see the definition of articles, what they are. Unit number 3, grammar, and the exercise and the topic is articles. See the definition. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. Articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. For example, see these examples, dear students. Number 1 example is, it is a bag. Example number 2 is, he ate an apple. And third example is, please return me the book that I gave you. In these 3 examples, you can see a, an, and the. They are highlighted because they are called articles in English grammar. A, and the. They are articles, and there are 3 articles in English grammar. See your next point. There are 3 articles in English grammar. There are 3 articles in English grammar, and they are a, and the. There are 3 articles, a, and the. These articles have their particular names. For example, now see your next point. Article a and an, they are called indefinite articles. A, and, they are called indefinite articles. Now, what is the definition of indefinite articles? These 2 articles are used before a non-specific noun or noun phrase. Like when we talk about generally about a noun, generally we use article a or an. For example, you can see here, it is a bag. It is a bag. We are not talking about a particular bag, it is a bag. Here I have put an article, and this a is an indefinite article. He ate an apple. He ate an apple. We are talking about a common apple. We are not specifying this noun. Here this noun, these 2 nouns are not specified, so before them I have used a and an. Now see your next. Next article is the, and this is called definite article. The is called definite article. This article is used before a specific noun or noun phrase. For example, unlike indefinite articles, this is definite article because it is used before a specific noun. Kindly return me the book that I gave you. Kindly return me the book that I gave you. Here you can see I have used the before the book because this book is not a common general book. I am talking about a particular book which I gave. Okay, kindly return me the book. Here I am not talking about a general book, that any book around me, but I am particularly talking about a book which I gave you. So here I will not use a book, rather I will use article the, and the is called definite article. Similarly, second example, I saw the moon at night. I saw the moon at night. Here moon is a noun, and this noun is of unique quality. This is a unique object. So before unique and specific object, we use the. I saw the moon at night. I saw a moon at night. If I use a, then it means that there are many moons can be seen at night. I'm talking about a particular object, and that is moon. That's why I put article the before this object and this object, because these two nouns are here specific. Here I'm talking about specific nouns. So before specific nouns, I used definite articles, and that definite article is the. Okay, dear students, now see sounds. Vowel sound and consonant sound, and there you can see alphabets from A to Z. Dear students, in English we have alphabets, 26 alphabets in English grammar from A to Z. And in this A to Z series, you can see I have highlighted A, E, I, O, U with my green highlighter, and remaining I have highlighted with my orange highlighter. Because this is A, E, I, O, U. They are called vowel alphabets. And remaining from B to Z, they are called consonant alphabets. These five produce vowel sound, and these remaining 21 articles from alphabets from B to Z, they produce consonant sound. And according to the sounds, we use article a and the. We are now proceeding towards the use of article. So before the use of article, you must know that which alphabets are producing vowel sound and which alphabets are producing consonant sounds. 5 vowels like this. This is producing the sound of a. This is a. This is I. This is O. This is U. And in further detail, I will show you that these two alphabets sometimes produce double sound. Like once they produce vowel sound, and in other case they produce consonant sound. Now see the example here. These are 5 alphabets which produce vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, and they are called vowel. They are producing vowel sounds. Now here you see O. When we write a word orange, we produce the sound of O here, and this O sound is vowel sound. But when we use O in this word, we produce this O as V, one. So here O is producing vowel sound, and here O is producing consonant sound. And when we use this word here in a phrase, we can say a 1 rupee note. We will not put an 1 rupee note. Like I'm further telling you the use of a and an. A is used with article. A is used with consonant sounds, like these alphabets which are highlighted with orange, and an is used before these highlighted with green highlighter. Like vowel sounds, with vowel sounds we use an, and with consonant sound we use a. And here in case of O, when O is producing its own sound like O, orange, that is vowel sound, we use an. We will say an orange. But here when it is producing the sound of V, we pronounce that word as one. Here this is not a vowel sound, this is a consonant sound, so before that we will not put an, we will put a. Similarly, in case of U also produces double sound. It is sometimes producing the sound of a, or for example umbrella. Here this is vowel sound, a, umbrella. So when we will put article, we will put article and before that word umbrella, an umbrella. But when we are writing and using that alphabet U in this word university, here this is not producing the sound of, it is not producing vowel sound, rather it is producing its own sound, and that its own sound is consonant sound. U is not a vowel sound, this is consonant sound. So before university we will put article a. Okay dear students, now how these article a, an and the are used, inshallah I will teach you in my further lecture. I hope that you have understood you have understood the difference between vowel sound and consonant sound. Okay, thank you very much. Stay blessed.